Alright guys, so in this tutorial we're gonna talk about Pool Day Simple Scoop. So if you're thinking about buying the Pool Day Simple Scoop but you're not sure if it's worth it, here's a quick answer. So the Pool Day, the Simple Scoop is a very lightweight pool cleaning tool. It's basically designed to remove leaves, bugs, and other debris from the water with minimal effort. It features a fine mesh net that helps capture both large and small particles, making routine pool maintenance much easier. And you can see the reviews right over here as well. But moreover, after looking at its features and user feedback, the Simple Scoop appears to be a legitimate product. It's not a scam. Many users report that it helps keep their pool cleaner while reducing the time spent skimming debris. However, it's important to remember that no pool cleaning tool is actually perfect, and performance may vary depending on your pool size and amount of debris. So, is the Pool Day Simple Scoop legit? Yeah, it is. It seems to be very useful and affordable. And right over here, as you can see, you can get the 10 lbs version for like 159, and you can also save the subscription. So yeah, if you're looking for a simple way to keep your pool looking clean without spending a fortune, it may worth checking out. So yeah, I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.